So America just said something about Kashmir that Pakistan really did not want to hear. But the most interesting part isn't just what Sergio Gore has said. It's how different those words are from America's own Kashmir history. Let me explain that to you. So on his maiden visit to Jammu and Kashmir, US Ambassador Sergio Gore, he stood in Srinagar and called Jammu and Kashmir an important part of India. So Pakistan immediately kind of protested. But here's where this gets much more interesting, because American involvement in Kashmir is actually not new. In the early years after independence, Washington was deeply interested in Kashmir's political future. American diplomats even discussed the possibility of an independent, and in 1950s, senior American figures were engaging directly with Kashmiri leaders. Then, decades later, came another controversial moment. In 1990s, senior US used language that actually questioned India's position on the permanent Jammu and Kashmir. So compare that history with what I've just heard in Srinagar. Jammu is an important part of India and doesn't automatically America. One ambassador is not of diplomatic, but words in geopolitics matters, and so does. So Gore does not. So compare that history with what we have just heard in Srinagar. Jammu and Kashmir is an important part of India, and this doesn't automatically mean that America has rewritten its Kashmir policy. One ambassador's statement is not a treaty. It does not erase decades of diplomatic history, but words in geopolitics matters, and so does where you say them. Gore did not made this statement from Washington. He has actually made it in Srinagar, and he was not finished. He also said that United States would consider its travel advisory for J&K, pointing to improving security conditions that could actually have practical consequences for tourism, business, and how America perceived the region. Comes the part I would watch very carefully, the Ladakh. Immediately after Kashmir, Gore is traveling to Leh on his first visit to Ladakh, and suddenly the geography actually changes. Kashmir puts India and Pakistan into the conversation, and Ladakh puts China into it. This isn't simply about one American diplomat visiting Srinagar. It is about Washington engaging directly with India's northern frontier from Kashmir to Ladakh. And here's what's the biggest lesson out of this is that America may not have suddenly taken India's side on every aspect of Kashmir question. Diplomatic language is changing, and the engagement is changing, and the geography of that engagement is changing. And for India, that's the part worth watching, because sometimes in geopolitics, the biggest signal isn't just the treaty, it is the carefully chosen words spoken exactly at the right. Hope this helps. Follow for more geopolitics.